By listening to autistic people, families and carers in Wales, Welsh Government have developed a code of practice. The code makes it clear how autism services should work and what support people can expect from local health and social care organisations. By working together, local authorities, local health boards and NHS trusts should plan and run services to meet the needs of autistic people in their area, by providing access to an autism assessment and diagnosis, ensuring adjustments are made so autistic people are comfortable taking part in everyday activities and are able to follow their own interests, supporting autistic people to access health and social care when required, increasing awareness and understanding of autism and how it affects people's lives, and improving staff training. For more information, visit gov.wales/guidance autism services.